Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking all about Instagram, how to use it on your iPhone. Whether you are a complete beginner or just want to brush up on some of the cool features Instagram has to offer, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. If you haven't created an account on Instagram and don't know what to do, just check out our video of how to create an Instagram account. Now, once you are logged in, Instagram will show you a bunch of cool posts. The first icon is your home feed. This is where all the posts from the people you follow show up. Scroll up or down to check them out. Tap the magnifying glass. This is the search tab. Here you can search for users, hashtags or topics. The explore section will show you popular posts related to your interests. Now go to the Reels section, and here you can find a lot of Reels that you might like. The plus sign in the middle is where you can upload photos or videos. You can take a picture or select one from your gallery, apply filters, add a caption, tag people and share it to your feed. Here you can make a post, share a story, make a reel, and you can also go live on the Instagram app. Now let's get into interacting with other people's posts. To like a post, just tap the heart button underneath it or simply double tap the picture. You can tap the paper plane icon to share the post with others via DM or link. To comment, tap the speech bubble and type your thoughts and simply post it. You can also save the post by tapping the save option. One of the most popular features on Instagram is stories. To add the story, simply tap your profile picture at the top of your feed or swipe right on your home screen. Here you can take a photo, video or upload one from your gallery. You can add stickers, text and even music. If you want to customize your experience, head to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From there, you will go to the settings. Here you can manage your privacy, security, notifications and much more. And for your profile, simply tap onto edit profile, and here you can find all of the editing options that you might want to change on your profile. And that's it. You are ready to start exploring, posting and engaging with others on Instagram. It's super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.